Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today to do my planner layout for the week of the 16th through the 22nd. We are home under no work situation with the virus, but I am going to plan anyway. I will be using the LOL paper pad as I've been using this whole time, trying to use it up. I'm going to be using that stamp from the Rongrong. And I've already cut out me some strips, and this piece is 1 3/4 by 5 inches. I don't know why, I just like covering up the note section over here. Don't have to, you can use different things. But for some reason, I've been doing it thus far, and I like to do that. I don't know. So I am going to, oops, a little cricket, cover that up. And then I am going to lay down some of these squares, of course. And again, I just using my paper up. It helps me use my paper pad up. And then I will add some washi. Now, when you have directional paper, you want to make sure you're using the right direction. So you do need to check and see if there is a direction. And these are, for the most part, in a direction. But those do have some flowers that go both ways, so. I'm good on that. Okay. So this is going to be interesting quarantine, isn't it? So right now we're temporarily quarantined for 2 weeks. I anticipate, unfortunately, longer. I have predicted that it's going to go longer because spring break is coming up, and I'm pretty sure the governor didn't want to say, hey, you guys are going to be out for at least a month. I can't imagine it's going to be less than a month. So by the time we come back, he's going to, at the end of 2 weeks, I know he's going to say, oh, we're going to stay 1 more week, and then might as well stay 1 more week because it's spring break. So I am staying home for a week. 2 weeks. I mean, I anticipate staying home for a month. I'm going to get into my craft room, hopefully do a little bit of cleaning. I have, even though I won't be physically at work and we are off and we're closed, been a supervisor and making this transition. I have a ton of things to do. So I really won't. Well, I can say I'm not working, but I will be working, so yeah. I have so many things I have to prepare and respond to, not just for my staff, but for the state and different stuff, so yeah. I wish there would be just time spent crafting, catching up on crafts, but it's going to be more than that, so. But my prayer, though, more than anything, is that people still get paid, people are working, people are able to take care of their families, their needs are met, and people are safe. I don't want anyone to get sick. So, we gotta do what we gotta do, alright? Well, I'm missing one. I don't remember how I had this laid out in my head. Maybe I only had 2. I don't know, I thought I had another one. Anyway. So I have so many videos I have to watch, so many things I gotta respond to. I feel like I'm gonna be working more than if I was at work. And but I'm thankful I'm getting paid, so I would not complain about that. So I'm thankful to be employed. Thank you, Jesus. And like I said, I know this is stressful for numerous reasons for folks. Scary as well for a lot of people. And just praying for everyone's safety. I had this laid out a different way. I'm trying to remember how I did it, but I messed it up, I'm sure, because I think this was over here, but whatever. I do remember this being here. I don't know how I did it. But I think that's what I'm going to do. So I will, I have been binging out on, between trying to do reports. Picked up Netflix again. I know that's a good habit or not, but definitely have done that. And I'm pretty sure I will continue to do that because I'm trying to be good staying in the house, and do have to go run out to get supplies. I did get supplies, thank God, ahead of time because I kind of knew the governor was going to go this way. But yeah, when he said at least, it put people into panic, and I understand why, you know. And people went and bought everything up. So of course there's no toilet paper, paper towels, all those kind of things. And they do that a lot here. Every time they think it's a hurricane, all our supplies get depleted. But I think about the seniors and their safety. I think maybe I should just leave this one off, make it even. And then I think I'm going to add some washi. I put out these three. These are from Love Nicole AC Morris, which is no longer here anymore. And I have one that says adulting is hard. True that, true that. If we only knew the truth when we were kids. So this happened. And this one says shine and glimmer. So I am going to start out with the wider one at the top. And where's my X-Acto? Okay. And adulting is hard, but guess what? You gotta do it. We all gotta grow up and face this world, but it's not always agreeable. Okay. Where's the sticky on? Alright, and then I am going to use the skinny one. I love black. It's such a strong color. I think it's undervalued. But it makes things pop, you know? It's just because it blends in. Okay. I've got to figure out some stamps or something that I want to add. Even though this week is going to be a little crazy, so I'm not going to fill everything in because I do know I was told to have a fluid schedule. I've already been mandated to be on some calls So do know I have quite a few of those to answer to. And still have music lessons with my grandson. Definitely gonna go back to the store again, see if I can find any more supplies. I'm good, thank God, but you know, I'm anticipating a little bit longer. So I'd rather have more than less. And stocking up on those little essential stuff. Okay. And I'm trying to think if I want to put something down the middle or leave it like that. It's a little bit crooked over here. Okay. The kids are out of school and got a homeschool now. So that's on the list as well. Alrighty. So I am going to come back. I'm going to think about stamps and see if I'm going to add any stamps or if I'm going to leave it like this or anything else. I think I'm going to add a few more stickers. Let's see real quick if I see anything that jumps out at me. This one says stay golden. I want to add that in here. I think I'm going to put says I've got my Warrior Princess pants on. Put that right there. And like I said, I don't want to make it too clear because I do know I have a lot of stuff I need to write down. For the week. Things that gotta get done. Let's see, I think I have to store a few of these up here. And something here. Alright, emails. So Lord, we got plenty of those I gotta respond to this week. Okay, and I think I'm gonna put maybe too much powder. This will not be a lipstick day, but I'm going to put it up here. Okay. Alright, so I think that is what I'm going to add. That is going to be it for details, and then I may add some stamping. And I come up with a close look. I'm not sure if I'm going to add any washi here or not, but I'll give you a close-up of what I think my final layout will be. And just... Okay, so I'm going to show you what I used. I added a couple stamps from here for the Bo Bonnie icon. I added a grocery cart, music, No, I didn't add the grocery. I just added in no school from this one. The cell phone from this Carpe Diem and that flower. And I think that is it. So I didn't add too much because I still have a lot of stuff to write in. But this is the week of April the 16th through, March 16th through the 22nd. So we were, schools were finally closed. We are closed from work, even though I have a ton of work to do as a supervisor. So getting everybody to do all this different stuff. So anyway, again, that's the girl that I colored. So we just see a little bit of stamping. And I think it turned out really, really cute. And so I would just pencil in some of the details of some of the phone calls and conferences, Zoom meetings that I had to attend, and reports I had to get to the state. And that is what I did for the week. So anyway, take care. Thanks for liking, watching, subscribing. Be safe, you guys. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.